splashing. Above the street, the clouds kept opening. Not empty, pouring. Not silent, splashing. I tilted my face and the rain became a miracle. My red umbrella is tossed to the side, and I was free enough to understand. In the gray streets the rain felt warm after twilight. My breath kept leaving me in happy exhales. The water fell right down, then again, then once more. A heavy shower washed over the street, and beautiful drops hit the puddles like a quiet fire. No cover could survive that joy, no raincoat could contain it. The drops were sweeter than language. The air smelled fresh as spring grass. I stood there with my happy pulse, trying not to reduce the storm to adjectives. Keep pretending you need an umbrella. How does the heart stay closed when the sky is this full of tears? Silver rain over me, silver rain over me. Make my little steps a splashing pattern. Silver rain over me, silver rain over me. Turn my mouth to smile. Waterfall. Oh, 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 oh. I am answering the call. Somewhere above the heavy clouds and the thunder's shame, the heavy rain was falling, millions of drops every second. Invisible softness, invisible caress. Water drops crossing the sky like urgent script. And down here my boots kept the wonderful time, one splashing step at a time. In the wet, the universe is sweet that way. It gives you water with freedom attached. It says behold and celebrate. It says breathe in and smell the freshness. It says the storm can still be intimate. The rain was not cold, the rain was magnificent. There is a feeling, there is a joy in that feeling. Silver rain over me, silver rain over me. Make my little steps a splashing pattern. Silver rain over me, silver rain over me. Turn my mouth to smiling and free. Oh, 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 oh. I can hear the waterfall. Oh, 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 oh. I am answering the call. If I disappeared tonight, the puddles would keep their shape. The beautiful gray clouds would keep pouring. The silver raindrops would keep falling. And somehow that does not erase me, it washes me. It clears the heavy dust from my thinking. It says you are free. Becomes a scene. Oh, 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 oh. Every splash remakes the dream. soft hum. The street goes still, the sky goes silver. My breath goes home slowly.